Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. I chose this Maker Faire coin in celebration of exhibiting at Gainesville Maker Faire.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
There's not much to this model, so there's not much to talk about it. But what I can tell you about this coin is that it was printed on the Prusa MK2S in AIO Robotics PLA. It was printed with a 205-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height, and a midway color change. For some reason, the print did not turn out great, but the design is really cool. The designer wulfdesign over on Thingiverse included this as one piece or multiple pieces, which I would feel would be a nightmare to glue together. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everybody, what do you do if someone thinks an onion is the only food that can make them cry? You throw a coconut at their face.